Imagine you're installing Windows 11 and bam, you're hit with this screen, downloading Windows updates. Now you'll have to wait entire day to set up the Windows 11 because there is no info on how long it's going to take and how big the update is. If your internet is really slow, it can actually take an entire day. Again, there is no info about how long it's going to take or how big the update is. But I have a good news for you guys. Now you can actually install Windows 11 without updating it. It's a lot faster now. So let me show you guys how this works. Let's install the Windows 11. Let's go through the Windows 11 installation. As usual, there is nothing fancy going on here. Okay, it's the usual stuff. When you reach to this point where it says checking for Windows updates, this is where it downloads the Windows updates and delays you from setting up the Windows. Okay, but here is the interesting part. Just recently, Microsoft has updated the Windows installer, and now we can actually skip this. There is a new option which says update later. This actually makes installing Windows 11 much faster. Okay, you just simply click on update later, and then it will pop up another screen. So you can either click on complete updates now, or you can again click on update later. Now it will actually skip that process and will let you set up your Windows, and later you can update your Windows from the Windows Update settings. This is actually much better because now while Windows 11 is updating from the Windows updates, you can set up other things on the system like change settings, download other things and all that. But I have a small suggestion for Microsoft. Instead of actually checking for update and then letting user to skip the update process, they should give you a option to either check for update now and update, or update later beforehand, before it even checks for update. That would be much better in my opinion. But still, this is much better than not being able to skip this process. If you have an old ISO and your internet is slow and you don't want to get the latest ISO and you try to install the Windows 11 with that old ISO, if there was no way to skip the update process, it would actually take a lot of time. Once setup is complete, we can do multiple things while it's actually updating the Windows. We can change things that we need to change in system, download good stuffs while still Windows is updating the system in the background, and your desktop is actually accessible. So even if it takes longer to update the system, we can actually do some things on the system, like we can tinker the system. Hope you get my point. So yeah, again, this is a welcome change. Still, there are so many steps and advertisement when installing Windows. Yeah, look at that. It actually literally took, let me check the recording, almost 8 minutes. It would be much faster since I was talking here and there. So, we delayed the process a little bit. And after that, you can go to Windows Update and start updating the Windows. While it's updating, you can go and change the settings and all that. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.